हेलो स्नैप एस्पायरेंट, माय नेम इज मधुरा शेलार एंड मेरा आज का वीडियो है नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट स्नैप. Now that the SNAP exam notification is out, I'm sure the students who are preparing for the MBA entrance examinations this year, you will be planning to write SNAP as well. But before filling the form for this particular exam, are you truly aware about the exam pattern, the deadlines, the important deadlines which are to be followed? And when you're supposed to apply to the different programs while you register for this particular exam, which colleges should be considered, what are the different programs that they offer, and the most important statistics with respect to what the total fees is, the average salary that a particular college offers, what is the total seat intake, and likewise what are the different programs that the college caters to. So मेरा आज का जो वीडियो है, we will initially talk about the SNAP exam structure, what is the expected syllabus, then we talk about the important deadlines, and post that we will talk about the most important colleges one can target through SNAP, in short the symbiosis colleges. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. SNAP 21 का exam structure is same like SNAP 20. Owing to the COVID situations, they cut down the number of questions. So you have a very simple format, 60 questions, 60 minutes का पेपर होने वाला है. 3 sections में आपका पेपर होगा. Verbal ability comprises of RC, reading comprehension, and hardcore verbal reasoning, जिसमें vocabulary, idioms and phrases, parajumbers जो है, synonyms, antonyms, grammar के कुछ areas, they play a very important role. तीनों सेक्शंस में से वर्बल का सेक्शन जो है दैट हैज द मिनिमम वेटेज 15 क्वेश्चंस. उसमें 5 क्वेश्चंस अगर आप ऐड कर देते हो तो बन जाता है आपका क्वांट्स एंड डीआई. सो दिस इज अ कंप्लीटली कैलकुलेशन ओरिएंटेड सेक्शन जहां पे आपको ग्राफ्स के साथ डील करना पड़ेगा, अलजेब्रा, अरिथमेटिक्स, ज्योमेट्री एंड डेटा सफिशिएंसी. बट डीएस वुड बी पर्टेनिंग टू क्यूए एरिया. The third section is analytical and logical reasoning. Now, if you look at the overall paper pattern of SNAP for the previous years, this is the trickiest section of all the three that I have seen. Logical reasoning में जो caselets आते हैं, छोटे छोटे puzzles पूछे जाते हैं, but these puzzles are a little tricky with respect to the answer options that they give. So initially, the SNAP pattern had a set of questions जहाँ पे per question used to carry 2 marks, but from the last year itself, they have made certain changes जहाँ uniformly हर question के लिए 1 mark allocate किया जाएगा. Yes, negative marking है इस examination में. You have 1/4 negative marking, which means 25% penalty बैठेगी. इस साल का जो SNAP examination है, आप 3 बार, आपके 3 slots available है, जिसमें से आप 2 बार SNAP attempt कर सकते हो. So if you are an aspirant who is already preparing for let's say CAT exam, if you are also planning to write NMAT, a decent attempt of SNAP should be somewhere around 19th of December or 8th of January, because तब तक आपका preparation काफी हद तक हो चुका होगा. If you're someone who's planning to write SNAP twice because you're very fond of the symbiosis tag, the SNAP tag, then in that case 19th December and 16th Jan should be a proper appropriate window for you, because whatever mistakes you do in your first attempt, you can rectify and you can try to enhance your score in the subsequent attempt. But please note that either of the two, भले ही आप 2 attempts देते हो, the best of that score, the best of the attempt score will be considered. So the important takeaway from this slide is negative marking है. You have 60 questions, 60 minutes, and most importantly of the 3 slots, you can take SNAP twice. अब देख लेते हैं कि exactly SNAP के deadlines क्या है. तो notification निकल चुका है, 31st of August is the deadline. The date that you need to remember is 27th of November. So the registration closes on 27th of November, and you will be writing your exams depending on the slot that you choose. Result will be announced by 1st of February. अब colleges जो आप apply करते हो, now registration charges are 1950 for registering for the SNAP exam, but उसमें आपको अलग-अलग programs को apply करना होता है. For every program that you apply, separate 1,000 rupees is to be paid. That's the fee that you pay for every program that you're applying for. So मेरे अगले slides जो है, they are very very important, because they will help you to take a learned decision whether I should be applying to these XYZ number of programs or this XYZ colleges that come through SNAP. जिस order में मैंने colleges लगाए हैं, accordingly उनके cutoffs भी उसी order में है. So if you talk about the flagship institute of symbiosis, that happens to be SIBM. So apparently ये देखा गया है कि जो top colleges है, for instance SIBM है, SCMHRD जो है, which rank higher as compared to the other allied institutes, उनके deadlines जो है वो लगभग पहले होने वाले हैं. So if you are a student who feels that yes, I will be able to clear a cutoff of 99.9, or let's say for SCMHRD I'll be able to clear a cutoff of 96 percentile, then you should definitely take a try, or you should definitely take a shot at these two colleges. So let's have a look at SIBM. अब Symbiosis का जो flagship program है, जो सबसे पहले शुरू हुआ था, that was the Pune branch. And if you look at the total fees happens to be 21 lakhs, and the average pay package is 19.5. In fact, SIBM happens to be in the top 15 rankings all over India. So there are students who optionally gauge NMIMS as well as Symbiosis, SIBM at times. This particular college offers two different programs. There's a core MBA program, and the second one is MBA in Innovation and Entrepreneurship. Needless to say, entrepreneurship का जो program होता है, that doesn't cater to placements. The important deadline to be followed is 18th of December. So if you are planning to write SNAP in the month of January in the last slot, and if you have a pretty good score coming up in your mocks, then this is one college that you can look at. But yes, इस कॉलेज की डेडलाइन 18th of December आपको याद रखनी पड़ेगी for you to be eligible for the further process. Because in spite of the fact that you fill the form for SNAP, if you do not apply for the other programs, the colleges are not going to consider your score. For them to consider the scores, you should apply to every individual college. अब SIBM के ही 3 अलग-अलग branches हैं, जिसमें से एक है SIBM Bangalore. SIBM Bangalore जो है, that was the second established allied branch of SIBM Pune. It's doing really well, जिसमें वो 3 programs offer करते हैं. One is the core MBA program, the other is MBA Quantitative Finance, and तीसरा MBA Business Analytics. Of the 3 programs, it's the core MBA program which is well known, and post the core MBA program, students normally opt in for Business Analytics. इसकी भी deadline अगर आप देखते हो तो SIBM and its allied branches have got a deadline of 17th of December. I have highlighted the seat intake. I have also put up the statistics with respect to the total fees and the average salary. If a particular college interests you, then definitely you can go through the slide in detail. The next college that we have in our list is SIBM Nagpur and SIBM Hyderabad. अब Bangalore के बाद जो establish हुआ था branch, that was SIBM Hyderabad. Nagpur is like the latest जो हाल ही में शुरू हुआ branch है उनका. 2019 में it was expected to be fully functional. So there's nothing much to talk about the Nagpur branch. But yes, SIBM Hyderabad is doing decently well. Definitely, if you compare Bangalore and Hyderabad, Bangalore tops the list. So Hyderabad, again, if you look at the deadlines, you will see for yourself, since they are fresh enough colleges, since they are newly established, Nagpur has got a decent deadline until 28th of January. Whereas Hyderabad ki deadline hai until 6th of February. That is even after your SNAP result is declared. So you may take a call to apply for SIBM Nagpur या Hyderabad depending on the score that you get in SNAP. In short, जिन colleges की deadline seat आपके SNAP results के बाद में है, you might as well apply later on because you get a good judgment as to where exactly you stand. Second ranking पे आता है SCMHRD. This is again one of the most sought after colleges, खास करके known for human resource specialization. Although it's equally good for the other branches. MBA marketing भी उसका अच्छा है, finance भी अच्छा है, operations भी अच्छा है. But खास करके students जिनको HR में जाना है, they opt for this particular program. पिछले कुछ सालों से उनके infrastructure management and business analytic programs, these are also doing pretty well. And I have seen students converting, at times students are unable to convert the core calls, but instead they get placed for the business analytics or the infrastructure management program. अब IM इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मैनेजमेंट नॉर्मली वो स्टूडेंट्स ऑप्ट करते हैं जो सिविल बैकग्राउंड के हैं, सिविल कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइन बैकग्राउंड के हैं, जिनको कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट में अगर डिग्री हासिल करनी है तो दिस इज वन गुड प्रोग्राम दैट यू कैन केटर टू. SCMHRD का कट ऑफ करीबन 96-97 परसेंटाइल तक जाता है. उनका जो सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस है दैट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, a little rigid because they don't just believe in conducting group discussion or VAT, but they follow certain 2 or 3 further more steps जिसमें आपका काफी rigorous selection होता है, and the best or the cream layer is often selected. The deadline to be followed is 7th of January. So again, if you're aiming to write SNAP somewhere later on in the last slot, you will have to take a call whether आपको SCMHRD को apply करना है या नहीं. The total fees, if you see, of this college is 20 lakhs. Approximately, Symbiosis का हर college जो है will float in the similar range. It's important that you'll also have a look at the average pay package. बढ़ते हैं आगे. तीसरा college जो है that is SIIB Pune, which happens to be Symbiosis Institute of International Business. This college is of interest to the people who are from agricultural background as well, because this particular college not only offers MBA in international business, but also MBA in agribusiness and MBA energy and environment. So people who probably are skeptical to write IIFT because of the fact that uski difficulty level CAT ke similar lines pe hai, and if there's somebody who's preparing for SNAP, CMAT and allied exams level wale exams ko agar wo target kar rahe hain, तो उस केस में international business is one good college, because BBA students जिनके खास करके IB में electives रह चुके हैं, they can consider this as a very good option. Agribusiness is open for the students effectively who are from the biotech or horticulture or food tech background, and these people can pursue their MBA in ABM program, that is Agribusiness Management program. And if you compare the core program as compared to the core program जो secondary programs होते हैं, उनके average pay packages relatively कम होते हैं, but in the absolute terms, if you are someone who wishes to pursue your post graduation in a very niche area, then agribusiness and energy and environment are well suited. Energy and environment are for the people who are from let's say electrical or electronics background, who probably want to pursue their education in the core field itself. If you look at the seat intake, again it has been highlighted. The important date to be noticed over here is 15th of January. 15th of Jan 2022, the registration closes. So accordingly, you will have to decide and take a call. If you are someone who is planning to write SNAP in the initial first 2 slots, तो काफी colleges के deadlines आप हासिल कर पाओगे. This is something that you can see. So एक काफी अच्छा advice जो मैं देना चाहूँगी वो ये है कि if you are planning to write SNAP in just once of the 3 slots, you can prefer to take the middle or the initial slot, because exam होने के बाद आपको एक judgment आ जाएगा where exactly you stand. You can at times can compare the answer keys and figure out कि आपका score लगभग कितना आएगा, and accordingly you can apply to the colleges so that you don't waste unnecessarily the money in applying to different programs. All right. अगला college जो है that's SIMS Pune. काफी स्टूडेंट्स को ये पता नहीं होता है कि this particular college, Symbiosis Institute of Management Studies, this particular college has got a defense quota. So 80% seats जो है, they are for the dependents who are the dependents of the defense personnel. They could be children or they could be the wards of the defense people. सिर्फ 10% seats है जो merit basis पे civilians के लिए open होते हैं. And again, remaining 10% seats are open for the dependents who are from the dependents of the defense background people, but who've been killed in war or probably in insurgency. So this is one particular college which definitely is of great help to the people who are from the defense background. If you look at the average pay package of this college, it's around 8 lakhs. अगर इसका ranking मैं compare करूँ with respect to Pumba या मुंबई का जो SIES college है, I would definitely rate SIMS a little higher with respect to the inputs that these students receive. The last date for registration is 31st of January. So again, you've got a good amount of cushioning period. After having written SNAP, you can decide and take a call. Should I be applying to this particular college? The next in line is SIOM Nasik. So the people who are from the core background, electrical, mechanical, production engineers, or the students who want to pursue their MBA in operations. Well, all of us are aware that NITI happens to be the rank 1 college. And NITI ke baad, after the IITs, you have SIOM, which is considered to be a very good institute. And it's basically because of the industrial hub that you have in Nasik, because of the industrial zones that you have there. So it's a residential program, operations management ka. The average pay package that this college offers is around 11.7, approximately 12 lakhs. And this college also offers an agri operations management degree. So although this particular specialization is not a residential program, it's a non-residential program. MBA operations वाला जो है, it's a core residential program. The last date of application is 25th of January. And again, इसके cut-offs लगभग around 80 percentile तक जाते हैं. But my observation for the last 12 years says that the students who probably score around 75, 78 percentile, but who have a decent profile as in who have worked in the core industry, or let's say in a manufacturing or an FMCG sector, who have a broad experience in operations and supply chain, production supply chain, they stand a decent chance. So I've often seen of the students who apply to this particular college, majority of the students who get a call and apparently who have been able to convert it are the ones who have work experience. This is one aspect that I have noticed. इसका selection process भी बाकी colleges की तरह ही है, but they focus essentially on the operations based case studies. अगला college in line is SIHS Pune. So if you are a person who is pursuing your degree in pharmacy, if you're a student who is pursuing your degree in the medical field, it could be Ayurveda or homeopathy, and if you're someone who's looking at hospitality management, hospitality and healthcare management, if you're looking at pharma MBA, this is one of the very good colleges. So I mean, if I were to tell you about this particular college, every year we have students who are from the pharmacy background or who are from the medical background, who wish to pursue their MBA in public health, because there's this niche program of Masters of Public Health that you call as MPH. So this program has got a seat intake of only 60 seats. एक दूसरा है healthcare management का, hospitality and healthcare management, which is much more broader, 120 seats का उनका intake है. The average pay package is around 5.6 lakh, but it opens up avenues for hospitality management. The last date of application for this particular college is 15th of January. The last one to discuss is SIMC Pune. So if you are someone who is aiming at events management, if you want to get into media, mass comm, then yes, SIMC Pune is one college that you can consider, because if you look at the programs that Symbiosis offers, they have approximately 14 to 15 different colleges that they cater to. But talking about the best of these, SIMC is one of them. So if there are people who have a keen interest to get into branding, brands and communication, public relations, and media management, advertising, this is one particular program which caters to the core aspects of it. And I mean, likewise, if you compare the average salary, since it's a core program, it's a little lower, approximately 5 lakhs. अब सबसे important चीज है how to crack SNAP. So I have observed कि normally जो students SNAP लिखते हैं, they are often the candidates who write CAT as well, who also appear for NMAT, and they also plan for CMAT and CET examination. So broadly speaking, you guys, you always prepare for the aptitude right from the start of it. So when you are targeting SNAP or NMAT as in a particular examination, your approach should not change drastically. Ultimately जो aptitude पूछा जाने वाला है, 19-20 का फर्क होगा, जहाँ पे questions का जो format है वो थोड़ा सा अलग होगा. The number of questions are going to vary, but the basic strategy that you have, the methods or the approaches that you've learned are going to remain the same. So my sincere advice would be, the secret to crack SNAP would be, write as many mocks as possible. Because आप जितने mocks लोगे, उतना आपका strategy जो है in attempting the different sections, in making the choice of the questions, वो उतना ज़्यादा firm बनेगा and उतना confidently आप SNAP exam दे पाओगे. काफी बार हमने ये देखा है कि NMAT examination जहाँ पे students retake लेते हैं, they often have their first attempt somewhere very early in the month of October, so that they get a brief period to prepare and rectify their mistakes, or better up their preparation, and they take the final attempt in the month of December. Same goes for SNAP. So if you are looking at the Symbiosis colleges in a very passionate way, if you're really keen for this particular college, then 2 attempts should be fine. All right. Should you have any queries, you can ping on the number that is given, or you can drop your comments in the description box. I'm definitely sure that this video will be of great help to you. So I'll appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.